The thing is, you have to remember to turn it on. And I don't know if there's a timer. There should be a timer. So just go on automatically. Hey guys, what's up? Another video. Another useless video. But you know, I'll promise you guys I'll upload whatever as much as I can. Anyway, today's my son's birthday. And no, this is not my son's this is not my son's present. This is mine. I ordered this off Lazada. There's a solar light. So let's try this. I'll open it first. Alright, so here it is. Here's the solar panel. Does it say how many watts the solar panel is? Oh, it's a 40-watt solar panel. And it's a 40-watt bulb, daylight. Let's open this guy. Maybe there's some juice in this. So here it is. There's some juice left. You can set it for 3 hours or 5 hours or 8 hours. Or just manually. Just a manual off and on. Yep. See, well, it's pretty bright. And if you're ready to turn it off, just turn it off, you know. That's pretty cool, so I think I'll be setting it for, I don't know, 8 hours, 5 to 8 hours each night. But the thing is, you have to remember to turn it on. And I don't know if there's a timer. There should be a timer. So just go on automatically. But I guess not. You gotta do it manually every night. Man, I don't know. I'll read the directions. Alright, gotta do some laundry. Man, it's just piled up. I'm trading in the shoes, by the way, for some 2 trays of eggs. I've never worn it. It's just been sitting outside. I don't know for how many years, 2-3 years. Actually, it's just like a lot more whiter. Just got dirty just from sitting outside because I didn't have the box anymore. Stupid move, Lester. But yeah, I decided to trade it in today for 2 trays of eggs. And we're gonna come get it later. Laundry day today. And it is overcast outside. It's gonna rain sometime today for sure. That's for sure. Well, it's rainy season right now in the VI. In the VI. In the VI. Bed sheets. Stanky ass. Stinky. Bed sheets. What is? Ow! Let me bring this out to the laundry area, guys. Hopefully I can do laundry today if there's no clothes in the washer. Come on, go to the house. I guess the guy's on his way. So I'm gonna get it ready. Not too hot today. It's actually it's pretty nice out. It's a nice morning. Then again, it's only what, 8 o'clock? So pretty sure later it'll get hot. It'll probably even rain. Oh shoot. It's almost 9 o'clock. Anong breakfast natin?
Bread.
Okay, let's go on TV news. Fox News. Need some whoa, what are you doing there? King Morris? Huh? Are you the king? Are you the king of the hill? What are you doing there? You surprised me. Breakfast muna. This thing is so hard to turn the dial in the back, so we just plug it and plug it. If you want to use it. How can you help me? Baka ito yung egg. Lawrence! Ah, kabayatan? Ah. Sorry, di kita minamadali ah. Alis kasi ako mamaya eh. At pakikuha. Got a lot of eggs now. We got an egg galore. Saan mo nilagay yung egg, hon? Nalagay mo na sa ref? Saan mo nilagay? Oh, I didn't see it. Okay, I'm gonna make some coffee. Coffee. Get some hot water. But I shouldn't be drinking I shouldn't be drinking coffee because of my reflux. And you know, I'm hard-headed like that. I never learned. You make your daddy be worried about you. If you don't feel sick, go use the computer. You don't shut down the computer right. Ah, she wants something else to eat, I told you. Alright, time check. Can you see the time? Time check. 10 a.m. And watching Home Alone. So, I've been watching a little bit of news and I had no idea those California, the wildfires were still going on. And where my sister lives, where I used to live, they actually got a notice. Man, it's like I'm getting worried now that they might need to evacuate. God, man, you know, it's like, where are they gonna go? What are they gonna do? I mean, if that happens, and this is unheard of. I mean, this is the United States of America. I mean, things like this don't happen in a place like, you know, the United States. Fires and evacuations and homelessness and things like that. Because, you know, when you think of the United States, you think of greener pastures and utopia almost, you know. But yeah, I read in the news that the east part of San Jose might also get evacuated because of the fires. You could already see the fires from Salinas. It's that close, you know. And I thought this was just up north, way up north. I guess it made its way. It's made its way to that part of the state, Bay Area. I mean, I gotta be honest. I'm a little bit nervous, guys. So we'll see. We'll hope for the best.